Hi there. How you doing?
Doing all right, yeah.
Good, good, good. Are you here for the
Yeah.
the rally? My name's Ronnie.
Yeah.
I'm a portrait street photographer.
Yeah.
I go around taking portraits of
Yeah.
people in the public to
Yeah,
show
yeah.
the diversity and beauty of
Yeah,
people
yeah.
and humanity.
Yeah, yeah.
And you look really, really cool. I was wondering if I could take your portrait very quickly.
Let me photograph.
Photograph, is that okay to take a
Yeah,
picture of you?
it's all right, yeah,
Yeah?
Go and get the message over.
Yeah, I'll get the message. Yeah. Where shall we stand? Let's have a bit of shade. Do you mind coming over here? Is that okay? If you could stand here for me, that would be perfect. Just in a bit of shade. That'd be amazing.
No chance. Keep the coal in the hole, the gas in the ground, the oil in the soil. That makes common sense. Do you want me to chant it again? Or do you want me to frack off? I like it.
I just come in for a portrait of you. Oh, amazing. What's your name?
John.
John.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Yes, do a fist pump. Yeah, that's what we do these days, isn't it? Have a good day, John. Thanks for your time. Hi there. Hi, sorry to bother you. My name's Ronnie. I'm a portrait street photographer.
Okay.
I go around taking pictures of portraits of people to show the diversity and the beauty of humanity, and I think you got an amazing look. I was wondering if I could take your portrait very quickly.
Yeah.
Is that okay? Thank you so much. You're very, very kind. What's your name?
Francis.
Francis. Amazing. Oh yeah, this side's even better. I'm just gonna come in for a portrait. Amazing, Francis. Did you use the model?